Hello everybody, today we'll be doing first unique character in a string. So given a string of S, find the first non-repeating character in it and return its index. If it does not exist, return -1. So the first one's 0, the second one is 2, and the third one is -1. So what is a non-repeating string? So that means, I have no idea what that means. It says 0 here, but it says 2 here. I'm not sure how it came to be 2. I don't understand this problem. I know why this is -1, because A repeats twice, B repeats twice. I mean, you see it 2 times. In this one, you don't see any other L's, so it's 0. You see L here, and there's another L in it. There's a O, and there's another O, and then there's a V, and then there's no other V. So I think that's the reasoning here, is that it's a repeating character in the entirety string. So it's the entire string where there's no repeating character. It doesn't have to be consecutive. It can just be the entire string. So we have to go through the entire string to find it. What if if we can't find it, we return -1. So what are some edge cases that we can think about, like an empty string that's automatically a -1, but we must have at least one character. Can the character be not a ASCII character? Oh, we're only looking at lowercase English characters. I don't think ASCII characters make much of a difference. So that is our edge case. And would there be any spaces? Looks like there are no spaces. There are only lowercase English characters, period. So I think that goes for understanding time and space complexity. That we're looking at is O of n, and space is going to be O of n because we do need to store how many times we've seen a character in the whole entire string. So basically we store we check if a character exists in a set, and if it exists in the, not a set, hash map. If we look at every character in a hash map, and we see if it has repeated a single time or multiple times. If it has not repeated at all, if it has only repeated a single time, then we can return that's the first repeating character. Here's what I mean. So let's put this into a hash map, and we look at the first character. Oh, we see it twice. Oh, look at the Z. Oh, well, we see it twice. And look at the V, and we just see only once. So that's our first item, and we're going to return that index, period. So basically our match is going to be a hash map, and just iterate, and iterate. So how do we do that? Our plan is to create hash map counter of characters, to iterate through a string and get a single, find first character with one scene, and if not found at the end, return false. I think that's pretty simple to write the code. Let's write it. I mean, why not? There's no reason not to write this code. Well, yeah, let's write it. So first things first, hash map it. So there's a thing called counter, and if we make a counter of S, that's pretty quick. I don't remember if it's lowercase or uppercase. Let me just return a 0 and see if that's how it works. I think it's uppercase. Give me a moment. Otherwise, I have to import counter. This is the fast way to count items in a string. So for C in S, if counter of C is equal to 1, return, we need to also enumerate. So we need the I just in case. So we can return the I, the index, return I. else return -1. And that's all. Let's run this code. That should follow my instructions pretty closely. And it looks like we're doing good. Let's submit and see if we got it. Oh, it looks like we got it. And not bad, not bad. Well, this is a easy problem, so I expect it to be this case. So implementation, and we have done the review, and lastly, we're going to do evaluation. Did we meet our time and space complexity? And yes, we did. It's O of n for 2 loops, one for counting and one for the going through the string. And second, it's going to be O of n for storing the hash map, if every character is a special, unique character. And with that, that's all. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. Want more videos like this, check the link in the description below. Thank you very much. And I'll see you in the next one. I'm going to pause and think a little bit to see if there's anything else I might want to do. Oh, and that's all. Okay, bye.